To create a business card, you want to come over to your template, which is where we are currently, and you want to search for business cards. All these amazing templates is going to show up, and you want to select what works for you. Once you find a template that suits your style, you want to click on that template. You can see from here that this template has 2 pages, and you want to click on customize templates. From here, you want to start editing your template. And I'm going to write here on the text beneath it. Let's go over to position and go to layer so we can select this text. And I'm going to change this text to creative educator. Once I have this in place, let's go over to the page 2. I also want to change this. Now that I have this in place, I want to select everything and pull it up a bit. Give me a bit of room space to do what I want to do. This is positioned correctly, and I'm going to click out. Now, another thing I like to do in my business card is to add a QR code. So if you go to the Elements tab here, and we'll search for QR code generator. Not everybody will have time to type out your address or your email. You might want to put a digital link for them to visit you quickly. I'm going to paste in a link here. This is where I want them to book a service or contact me or see my presence online, and I'm going to click on generate code. You see that it generated this code and it has this color. So let's click on this image and go to colors. This image color, these are the colors in it. I want to hover around the color to make a mental note of what the color code is, ECE8DD. So I would go back into my QR code here and come over to this color and change it, ECE8DD. Yeah, I think I got it. I'll come down here and click on generate code again. You see, with this color, I have a color that blends with my background. You see that I have this QR code that they can scan and quickly just get to me. You can edit all this one after the other to make it your own. Once you have all this in place, you want to come over to share, download. You want to click on this file type here to bring out the options. You want to go over to PDF print and go to CMYK, best for digital printing, and you want to click on download.